Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the Lite 100 Keys low-profile mechanical keyboard, just a quick heads up that the link to purchase this keyboard at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Be sure to check it out for the best deal. The Lite 100 is an affordable and thoughtfully designed low-profile mechanical keyboard, perfect for users who want a blend of style, comfort, and functionality without breaking the bank. Evolving from the original Flow keyboard, this model shifts from an aluminum body to a textured ABS plastic, which keeps the keyboard light while still maintaining a pleasant tactile feel. One of the standout features is its low-profile design, which encourages a more natural wrist position thanks to a lower front height compared to its predecessor. This ergonomic consideration helps reduce wrist strain during extended typing sessions, making it ideal for both professional and casual users. The keyboard is equipped with Specter Linear Switches, part of the Kailh Low-profile Full POM family, which require only 40 GF of force to actuate, lower than the typical 50 GF. This subtle adjustment greatly reduces finger fatigue, especially when typing for long hours. Keycaps are another highlight, featuring durable PBT double-shot construction. The two-tone design cleverly uses PC material on the letter parts for improved backlighting, while the rest of the keycap remains PBT, ensuring a comfortable matte texture and excellent grip. This combination guarantees longevity and a satisfying typing experience. Connectivity options are versatile, offering 2.4G wireless via a receiver, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C connection. This flexibility makes it compatible across Windows and Mac systems, adapting easily to different user setups. Additionally, the keyboard supports swappable switches, allowing users to customize their typing feel over time. Pros: ergonomic low-profile design reduces wrist strain, lightweight and textured ABS body for comfort and portability. Specter Linear Switches offer smooth, fatigue-reducing typing experience. Durable PBT double-shot keycaps with excellent backlighting, multiple connectivity modes, 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth, and wired, swappable switches for customization. Cons: ABS plastic body may feel less premium compared to aluminum, limited to 100 keys, which might lack some dedicated function. Keys for certain users. Battery life details are not prominently highlighted, which could be a concern for heavy wireless users overall. The Lite 100 Keys low-profile mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a comfortable, stylish, and versatile keyboard at an affordable price point. Whether you're typing for work, gaming, or creative projects, its ergonomic and functional features make it a strong contender in the low-profile mechanical keyboard market. Don't forget, the link to purchase this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a great deal today.